So this is something huge for those who have been having problem or unable to withdraw their MemeFi token to their preferred exchange like Bybit, Bitget, KuCoin, or other exchange. And for those who OKS are not working in their country, this information is very important for your withdrawal in MemeFi. So welcome everyone to Digital. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, I want to assure you are going to get value for your time. So therefore, click on the subscription button and subscribe to this channel. And more importantly, having access to adequate information, I mean correct information at the right time, is very, very crucial for you to make money in cryptocurrency and online in general. So therefore, check the link in the description of this video and join my Telegram channel. A lot of things are going on there. You can't afford to miss it. So let's get back to business. Now to MemeFi, there is this update that will interest you. So listing will take place on Friday, that's a few days from now. Then that's 22nd by exactly 13 UTC. For those in Nigeria, that is around 2 p.m. But the reason why a lot of people are concerned is that they are unable to withdraw their money to OKS exchange because OKS is not working in their country. Now, so the information coming to us is that this claim to OKS Web3 wallet will be activated 1 hour before the listing time. So that's the only saving grace we are having now. So now once that one is activated, you'll be able to claim it to your OKS wallet. You get it. Now, I'm going to take us to let's go to our OKS wallet. Now, this is my OKS wallet. So this is the Telegram OKS wallet. It's still the same thing with the app. So you can use anyone. So now this is my OKS wallet. Immediately the MemeFi token arrive this wallet, you're going to see it around here. Now you have two options. Number one, you may decide to send it to your exchange, maybe Bybit, Bitget, Get.io or KuCoin of your choice. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is to just come here, which is send. You just tap on it. So when you click it, it says you do not hold any cryptocurrency. So if the MemeFi enter, the MemeFi will appear here. You get that? So you'll be able to enter the wallet address of MemeFi that you copy from Bybit, KuCoin, or any other exchange you might be using. You come here, you paste it, then you send it directly. And if they request for tag and memo, please take note of that so that you don't lose your fund. You get that? So then if you want to change it directly to USDT from here, you will need to come to swap. You can see swap here. So when you come to swap, here, you can see it says from then to. Now, we are operating, you are operating Zoo blockchain. So you first of all come here, then you change it to Zoo. It's a network. So you're going to, or you might just select all. You get that? Then select token. Look at select token icon here. Select token. Then you search for MemeFi. I guess MemeFi is not there yet. So MemeFi is not there. Okay. So let me see. Okay, MemeFi is there. So this is it. So this is MemeFi. Can you see it? So I'm going to select MemeFi. So okay. So you get that. Then here you can see I've already selected Zoo blockchain. Just make sure you follow what I'm actually doing. Then here you search for USDT. So you're going to select, and the USDT you are selecting, you can see is under Zoo. So you may change it to which network now. So let's just leave it there. Then you can select, then swap. Then another thing I need to let you know is this: you need gas fee. Before you can swap here or send it to your preferred exchange, you will need a gas fee. So subsequently, I'm going to be dropping a video now you can get gas fee. And the gas fee you are getting is Zoo, because the coin you are transacting on is on Zoo blockchain. Hope you get that. So I'm going to be making subsequent video now you can actually get the gas fee. If you still have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section of this video. For you to send out or in, you need a gas fee. See you next time for more exciting updates. Subscribe to the channel.